Right,
Okay.
Shikha. So how are you, Shikha? Feeling nervous?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, you're good.
So you're all ready with your background. Nice, lovely, bright yellow background. You can see one of the most prepared participant. Huh? So can we have your ramp walk and then your introduction?
Yeah, actually, I was waiting for my friend, but we can start with the introduction.
You can place the camera if she'll take time. Place the camera.
Yeah, okay, I'll do one thing. The background is that side, so I'll keep the camera over here, this
Whichever,
side. Not
whichever is comfortable.
Is it visible properly?
Yeah, go ahead.
Done?
Yeah, please come back and you can start with your introduction.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. My name is Shikha Guzar. I'm from Nagpur, born and brought up here. In 2016, I participated in pageant named Miss Exquisite, which was held in Delhi. After that, I joined aviation and I was flying with Jet Airways for 3 years. And after Jet Airways shut down, I applied for Qatar Airways and I got through, but then pandemic came. So I was looking for a chance to participate in a pageant again. So through Miss Forever, I got this chance and I'm really honored to be a participant of this pageant. Thank you.
Okay, Shikha, that's lovely that you've already participated in a beauty pageant before. So, till which level did you go in that pageant? Could you just explain us a bit?
Actually, I was in final level. I did ramp walk and all. I didn't get any crown, but I really enjoyed the show. I really got a new experience with the show. I made so many friends over there, and they were experienced. So through their experience, I got some experience. Like I've learned a lot, and from that point, my confidence level has increased on different level. So I started feeling positive about myself. Like I thought that I also can do something in this field.
Okay, that's great. So apart from making friends and feeling really good about yourself, what was the kind of grooming sessions you got there? Were you groomed for a
Sorry?
period of time? आपकी grooming हुई थी वहाँ पे शिखा? Grooming sessions, कुछ classes उस pageant में?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. So can you hear me now, Shikha?
Yeah, there was. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, so I want to know कि वहाँ पे आपके grooming sessions हुए थे, classes हुए थे. So with respect to what do you feel a difference in yourself? कुछ difference आया उन classes से, sessions से? The confidence that
obviously, yeah, they have like it was for 3 days. We had grooming rounds, grooming sessions were there. So they have taught us how to be, give good posture. Our training was there like for 2 days, and the third day was the day where we had to do ramp walk and all. So 2 days they were giving us training about the posture, about your body language, about your personality, how you should feel about yourself. Be confident always. Even there was talent round, so I performed a dance, a Bollywood dance in that. So They have taught us so many things in that grooming session.
Okay, so with 3 days की grooming sessions में you started feeling confident and good about yourself, right?
Yeah, right.
And you're also passionate about dancing.
Yes, I love dancing.
So
I am not like trained in one particular dance, but then I can do like I love Bollywood dance. I love belly dance. I can do belly dance a little bit. I've learned by myself only. So if there is any talent on, I would love to perform a belly dance over there in Miss Forever.
Okay, okay. No, that's really nice if you're into belly dancing, right? Also tell me, like, what is your, target if you're selected today for Forever Miss India 2021 in this audition? So what will be your target here?
Since I got to know about this Miss Forever, I started preparing myself. I joined gym. I'm taking proper diet. I'm following like all the diet of mine, and there is no cheat day for a month. So after getting selected in Miss Forever, I would definitely continue with my diet plans and with my grooming. I would train myself. If I'm performing a belly dance, obviously I will train myself like that. And in Miss Forever, obviously, it would be an honor to be there, and I would definitely try to get crown over there. Obviously, competition will be higher, but still, I will try my best to be the best over there. So I'll have to prepare myself a lot because it's been a long. There was a gap. Last time I participated was 2016. So after that, there is a huge gap. So I have to prepare myself along with the walk and all. So I would love to do that.
So that's really nice, Shikha, that you're open to learning. And even you think about it that, you only took 3 days of grooming sessions, and look at yourself. You started feeling more confident. Now you're saying that, you want to polish your dancing skills also. You also want to, show it to the world, showcase your belly dancing skills, right? So just imagine that, here a lot of trainers will be here to, groom you for a longer period of time, not only 3 days. Okay? So usme the kind of confidence you will get, the kind of your skills will get polished, that I'm sure you cannot even imagine at this point of time. So thank you so much. I would really want Priya to take over now.
Yes, so as Keith is mentioning that, we'll be having a lot of grooming sessions. So I'll just take you through what all we'll have. I'm so sorry. So it'll be like a tournament. So basically it won't be just, 2 days, 3 days. It will be like a long session, long duration of 6 months where we'll groom you. So imagine what have you become in 3 days if you're, a fast learner. So in 6 months, you'll be just a very different person. I saw your ramp walk. It has, it has few technicalities which you must have learned over there. You know how to pose, but still there are few things which we need to tweak. For example, you have a little bit of stiffness in your hands, so that hand movement has to be perfect. And I'm very sure that you're a person who, wants perfection in their life, right? If I'm right.
Yeah.
Right. So as you said that you don't have a cheat day in your life, in your 1 month since the time you started. Right. So if you were that kind of a person, even I go for 1 cheat day at least in a week. So if you don't have a cheat day, I'm very sure that you go for a perfection. And if you're going for perfection, this is a right platform for you. And as you want to win the crown, so your journey has begun, initially to become the state winner, and then, probably, and all the best for the crown as well. Also, not only this, that you're already in the aviation industry, so it involves a lot of work on your own self, whether it be confidence, personality, even your walk in aviation, or the way you talk, the way you take care of your hair, or any damn thing as related to your personality. So these platforms that once you're you're with us for the grooming sessions. So you will be getting a lifetime membership of all the sessions and the workshops, which Forever, Forever Star India will have, because we're not just having a pageant, we're having a huge community and building, and we'll keep building this, bigger and bigger community where we'll be having a lot of sessions and workshops, which will be accessible to you once you're with us for the sessions. And you just need to do one thing, that you need to complete your profile and update it on daily basis. Okay.
Okay.
And yes, congratulations and welcome to Forever Star India and 2021. And we look forward to see you and groom you basically, so that you become what you want to become and become perfect in your own eyes.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Look forward and all the best, dear.
See you real soon. All the best.
Thank